The migration patterns of monarch butterflies, Danaus plexippus, are renowned for their incredible migration journey, which is one of the most remarkable phenomena in the animal kingdom. Every year, millions of these delicate insects embark on a long and perilous journey from their breeding grounds in North America to their wintering sites in central Mexico. This article explores the migration patterns of monarch butterflies, the factors that influence their journey, the challenges they face, and the conservation efforts aimed at protecting this extraordinary species. Understanding monarch butterflies. Monarch butterflies are easily recognizable by their striking orange and black wings. They belong to the family Nymphalidae and are primarily found in North America, although their range extends to parts of South America and Europe due to human introduction. Monarchs undergo a unique life cycle, transitioning from eggs to caterpillars, larvae, then to pupae, chrysalises, and finally emerging as adult butterflies. The adult monarch can live up to 9 months, which is critical for its migration journey. This remarkable lifespan allows them to travel thousands of miles, making it possible for them to undertake their migratory route, a feat not achievable by most butterfly species. The migration journey. The route monarch butterflies migrate primarily between their breeding grounds in Canada and the United States and their wintering sites in Mexico. The migration is a two-way journey, with the butterflies traveling south in the fall and returning north in the spring. Southern migration, in late summer and early fall. As temperatures begin to drop and daylight hours shorten, monarchs instinctively begin their southward migration. This journey can cover up to 3,000 miles. They congregate in large groups, often traveling in flocks, and follow a general route that leads them through the eastern United States and across the Gulf of Mexico. Wintering grounds. The monarchs arrive in Mexico, where they seek out specific areas in the Sierra Madre Mountains. These locations provide the perfect microclimate for the butterflies, with the right combination of temperature, humidity, and shelter. The most famous wintering site is located in the state of Michoacán, where millions of monarchs cluster together in the oyamel fir trees. Spring migration. As temperatures begin to rise in late winter and early spring, the butterflies start their return journey north. This migration is not undertaken by the same individuals that migrated south, as the journey spans multiple generations. The butterflies that emerge in Mexico will reproduce, and their offspring will continue the journey northward. Timing of migration. The exact timing of the monarch migration can vary based on environmental factors such as temperature, food availability, and weather conditions. Generally, the migration begins in late August and can last until late November. During this time, millions of monarchs take to the skies, navigating using a combination of environmental cues and an innate sense of direction. The return migration in the spring usually occurs from late March to early June, depending on the region. The first generation of butterflies to emerge will continue the journey northward, laying eggs along the way, which will hatch into caterpillars and eventually mature into the next generation of adults. Factors influencing migration. Environmental cues. Monarch butterflies rely on several environmental cues to initiate their migration. These include temperature. As temperatures begin to drop in late summer, monarchs respond to the changes in climate. They are sensitive to temperature fluctuations, and cooler weather triggers their migratory instinct. Day length. photoperiodism, or the response to changes in day length, also plays a crucial role in migration. Monarchs have an internal biological clock that signals when it is time to migrate based on the length of daylight, food availability. The availability of nectar sources, such as milkweed and other flowering plants, is vital for the energy needs of the butterflies. As food sources dwindle in their breeding grounds, they begin their journey southward. Navigational abilities. Monarchs possess remarkable navigational abilities that allow them to find their way to their wintering grounds. They use a combination of solar positioning. Monarchs can navigate using the position of the sun. They are equipped with a time-compensated sun compass that helps them orient themselves during the day. Magnetic field. Recent studies suggest that monarchs may also be able to detect the Earth's magnetic field, which aids them in maintaining their migratory path. Landmarks. While flying, monarchs may use geographical landmarks, such as mountains and bodies of water, to help guide their journey. Challenges faced during migration. Despite their extraordinary abilities, monarch butterflies face numerous challenges during their migration journey. 1. Habitat loss. One of the most significant threats to monarch butterflies is habitat loss. Urban development, agricultural expansion, and deforestation have led to the destruction of vital breeding and wintering habitats. Milkweed, the primary food source for monarch caterpillars, has dramatically declined due to herbicide use and land conversion for agriculture. 2. Climate change. Climate change poses a severe risk to monarch migration patterns. Changes in temperature and precipitation can disrupt the availability of food sources and alter migratory cues. Extreme weather events, such as storms, droughts, and heat waves, can also impact their journey, leading to increased mortality rates. 3. Pesticides. The use of pesticides in agriculture poses a direct threat to monarchs and their habitats. Pesticides can kill both adult butterflies and their larvae, leading to population declines. The decline of milkweed, due to herbicide spraying, further exacerbates this issue, as it is the only plant that monarch caterpillars can feed on. 4. Predation and disease. Monarchs also face threats from predators and diseases. Birds, spiders, and other insects prey on monarchs, while parasites and pathogens can weaken or kill the butterflies. The combination of these factors can significantly impact their populations. Conservation efforts. Recognizing the decline in monarch butterfly populations, various conservation efforts have been initiated to protect these remarkable insects. 1. Habitat restoration. Organizations and governments are working to restore habitats by planting milkweed and native flowering plants. Community gardens, parks, and schoolyards are being transformed into butterfly-friendly environments to provide food and shelter for monarchs. 2. Public awareness campaigns. Raising public awareness about the importance of monarch butterflies and the challenges they face is crucial for conservation efforts. Educational programs in schools and community events aim to inform people about the significance of protecting monarch habitats. 3. Policy changes. Advocacy for policy changes is essential to protect monarchs and their habitats. This includes promoting sustainable agricultural practices, reducing pesticide use, and implementing land use policies that prioritize habitat conservation. 4. Citizen science projects. Citizen science initiatives encourage individuals to participate in monitoring monarch populations. By reporting sightings, tagging butterflies, and participating in research projects, citizens contribute valuable data that can help inform conservation strategies. Conclusion: the migration patterns of monarch butterflies are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. Their long and arduous journey from North America to Mexico is fraught with challenges, but it also highlights the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the importance of biodiversity. As we continue to confront environmental changes and challenges, it is crucial to protect the habitats and migration routes of monarch butterflies. Through collective efforts in conservation, education, and policy reform, we can work towards ensuring that future generations can witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of monarchs migrating across the skies. In the end, the story of the monarch butterfly is not just about migration, it is a story of survival, beauty, and the urgent need for conservation in a rapidly changing world.